Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do the Desert's Edge Maze quest, which is part of the wider Children of the Woods quest chain. Now for this one, once you've gone and got the quest from the book, which is to find the fourth Shy, what you want to do is come to this part of the map in the northern area just outside of Deadfire Mountain. So to just quickly help you get your bearings on the map here, the village is down to the south, shown just here outside of Herdnand Highlands, and what you want to do is just come up through the area here. I follow the road around. You might want to go to here as well to do the other one, but for this one what you want to do is just come up to this zone here, and if you look at where I am on the map right now, I'm just going to show you this really quickly. There is an abyssal nexus here if you want to unlock fast travel, just to save you some time in the future. Just to show you that again really quickly, that is just here on the map. But once you unlock that, you want to come over here to the edge, and this is where we're going to find the maze. Now do be aware obviously that there are some very big steep cracks here which you do need to be mindful of, and what you want to do really is come over and aim for this light area here just to help get your bearings. So I'm going to show you exactly where I am now on the map, and then from here just follow this around a little bit, and then what we want to do is come to the edge here, and you might just be able to see that there is quite a steep drop. We're going to jump off the edge here, and as we jump off the edge we're going to come down. And as we slowly fall down here, we are going to take some damage, but what we want to do is just come straight to this edge again and then jump once more. And then once we come down here, it is here that we're then going to find this maze-like entrance area, and this is what we want to come into. And when we come into here, you're then going to find the next Shy child. In our case, this one's called Florian, and all we need to do now is go ahead and talk to her. And there we have it. We've now finished that quest for Desert's Edge Maze. I really hope that this tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.